Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking accounts and granting permissions so playback can run at wake time. Sign into YouTube Music and the device with the same Google account, then enable background play and notifications in the app settings. Once done, make sure the alarm-capable device supports third-party music or Google Assistant routines. This matters because native clock apps rarely let you pick YouTube Music directly. Now that accounts and permissions are ready, move to creating. You now build the actionable alarm. Open Google Clock or the Google Home app and choose to create an alarm or a routine for a time. Use the Assistant Action field and say, "Play song name on YouTube Music." This directs the assistant to stream your track. Then set repeat days, preferred start volume, and enable a fallback sound in case streaming fails. Once configured, test with a nearby time to confirm the sequence triggers and plays the selected track reliably. You finish by testing and tightening the setup so it works every morning. Set a short test alarm and observe whether playback starts promptly and at the right volume. If it lags, increase pre-roll time or adjust network settings. If the song does not play, make sure YouTube Music is subscribed and signed in, then enable the fallback alarm sound. For stubborn failures, reauthorize account access in Google settings or switch to a downloaded or cached playlist that avoids streaming hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.